Alright, these are my video instructions for 1019. Thank you for whoever you listen to these instructions. If it's not making sense to my awesome bilingual students, maybe you could help me out as a teammate and explain in Spanish to some of my other classmates what I'm going to have you do. But what I'm having you do is grabbing your study guide that I've passed back to you, or if you do not have your study guide, use the problems from slides 173 and 174, which are an example of a study guide. But again, I want you to, using your study guide, make up a summary slide for each problem. You're going to be doing this on, of course, your Google Slides that you shared with me already. Always do work on your already shared with me Google Slides. Like an example, Emily would be doing it on this. But again, what I'm going to have you do is for each of the 12 problems, make up a summary slide where you make up a problem of your own, write a key sentence, and then use Google to type in that topic of that problem and get a couple pictures. Here are a couple examples from problem 1, a problem I made up. Here's one from problem 2. For problem 1, since it's the only one with a chart, you could copy and use this chart if you want. But I think the other problems you'll just be able to make up without having to worry about too much. Just use a text box. And again, you're doing this work on your own Google Slides. Alright, so again, one more time, I want you to take your study guide for the final, all 12 problems. If you don't have a study guide, you have access to the 12 problems right here if you want to see. I want you to make up a summary slide for all 12 problems. And a summary slide is you making up a problem just like one from the study guide, making up one of your own, that's the hard part, writing a key sentence, and then 2 pictures about that kind of problem. So again, you should be looking at 12 total problems that you've made up with your own numbers. That's the hard part. You're making up your own. All right, good luck.